Hello, friends. How is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here, and I'm reading from my book, Dancing with Words. This poem is called Angel of Mine. You hover, you surround, you whisper, you display signs. Angel of mine. What is the message? What are you trying to tell me? Am I bold enough to hear, to see and understand what you have to say, angel of mine? Let the message be simple and clear. Silence the unnecessary noise. Go before me and create a clear path. Mobilize what is useful for this journey of life. Angel of mine, display your perfection at all times. Gather my scattered pieces, mend my broken heart, comfort my weary soul, calm the raging thoughts of my mind. Angel of mine, guide me to the fountain of fresh water, a fountain of youthfulness, a fountain of wisdom palates, a morning of melting dew. Angel of mine, feed my unquenchable thirst for the meaning of life. Mold my beastly ways so I may conform to the divine process. Tame my underdeveloped mind from indulging useless thoughts. Angel of mine, teach me how to be present in this moment. Hold my hand as I learn to enjoy this earthly existence. Spark the flame of my intuition to ignite into a bonfire. Angel of mine, let us unify into oneness. Angel of mine. This is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon.